welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corinne.
And where are we today, Creed?
Well, we've been traveling up Highway 14 between Cedar City and Duck Creek Village.
And we are up here because it's winter. And what does winter mean?
Winter means that it's probably time for the holidays.
It's the holiday time. We'd like to wish all of you a very, very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
And if you celebrate any of the other holidays, we wish you Happy Hanukkah or Happy Kwanzaa.
And a very prosperous and Happy New Year. We really appreciate that all of you folks that have followed along with us this year. It's been a great 2023. I mean, we had trips to Chile, Argentina, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Alaska, and we sure hope you enjoyed those adventures.
But let's show them a little of the winter up here on the mountain.
Let's do that. So. So Corinne and I moved to a small city in Utah last year, and we are really enjoying being here. It's a very small city, and it still celebrates the holiday season with lots of lights and festivals, and really makes it feel like the holidays are coming. So we've really enjoyed being here.
We hope that you are able to find a way to find some good cheer and holiday spirit for this time of year, and look forward to 2024.
Well, it's been a great day, hasn't it, Corinne?
Yeah, we really enjoyed getting out and playing in the snow a little bit and taking some video and photos.
We sure hope you enjoyed coming with us today. And if you did, please give us a thumbs up.
And if you'd like to see some more of our videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below.
And as always, if you want to know when we release videos, hit that little bell button.
We love your questions, comments, and thoughts, so go ahead and put them in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to respond as soon as we can.
And again, we sure hope you folks have a wonderful 2024. We'll see you then. And until then, bye for now.
Bye for now.